Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of bundling up in heavy coats and watching the rain pour outside in December, I've got something special for you. This winter, it's totally possible to trade gray skies for sunshine right here in Europe. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of the 10 warmest places to visit in Europe this December. We're talking sun-soaked beaches, mild weather, festive vibes with a warm twist, and perfect escapes, all without leaving the continent. So grab your winter coat and a swimsuit just in case. Let's go. Tenerife, Canary Islands, Spain. Tenerife, the largest of the Canary Islands, consistently ranks as one of the warmest corners of Europe in December. Daytime highs hover around 22 degrees Celsius, low 20 Celsius. Imagine strolling along sun-drenched beaches or exploring dramatic volcanic landscapes under warm skies. You could hike the trails of Teide National Park, admire sweeping ocean views, or sip cocktails by the coast. With fewer crowds than summer and weather that feels more like late spring than midwinter, Tenerife is a perfect start to your December escape. It's the kind of place where you might swap your snow boots for sandals and your winter coat for a light jacket. Lanzarote, Canary Islands, Spain. Lanzarote is another Canary Island gem, unique for its volcanic terrain, black rock formations, and surreal landscapes that almost look otherworldly. In December, temperatures stay warm, typical highs around 21 to 22 degrees Celsius. Whether you're walking among volcanic cones, watching the waves crash against lava rock cliffs, or enjoying a peaceful sunset near the sea, Lanzarote offers a dramatic and beautiful winter escape. It's ideal for travelers looking for something a bit different than your usual beach holiday vibe, something more raw, natural, and adventurous. Madeira, Portugal. Madeira is a lush island paradise in the Atlantic, sometimes called the Flower Island, and it's one of the mildest places to be in Europe during winter. In December, average temperatures range from 16 to 19 degrees Celsius. What makes Madeira special is its diversity. You can wander through leafy mountains via historic lavada paths, explore dramatic cliffs overlooking the ocean, or enjoy charming coastal towns. In the capital, Funchal, you'll find cozy streets, local cuisine, and even festive lights during festival season. Madeira is perfect for travelers who love nature, hiking, cozy evenings, and a softer kind of winter sunshine, a quieter, greener December getaway. Malta includes Valletta, Mediterranean. If you head to the Mediterranean, Malta stands out as a warm, charming winter destination. December temperatures are milder than much of Europe, and while not scorching hot, the climate is pleasant enough to stroll around without heavy winter gear. In the capital, Valletta, with its historic architecture, narrow streets, and seaside harbor, becomes especially atmospheric in winter. You'll find fewer tourists than in summer, calmer seas, and a uniquely peaceful vibe. For a December holiday that combines culture, history, and mild Mediterranean weather, Malta is a top pick. Plus, being a small island, you can explore a lot over just a few days. Coastal walks, local cuisine, ancient walls, and relaxed Mediterranean nights.
Cyprus, e.g. Limassol or Larnaca. Cyprus, an island at the edge of Europe and the Mediterranean, often punches above its weight in winter warmth. Places like Limassol or Larnaca enjoy milder winters that make them great for a December escape. Here you get a mix of Mediterranean charm, coastal walks, warm sea air, historical sites, local culture and cuisine, all without freezing. It's a destination that offers more than just sun. You can explore ancient ruins, wander through coastal towns, dive into the Mediterranean Sea if water temps allow, or simply enjoy relaxing seaside vibes. For a winter holiday that feels like a gentle Mediterranean retreat, Cyprus is a strong contender. Algarve, southern Portugal. For those who prefer mainland Europe over islands, the Algarve in southern Portugal offers a mild and pleasant winter escape. In December, you can expect moderate weather that's gentler than northern Europe's cold. The region's mix of dramatic cliffs, Atlantic beaches, charming villages, and a calm winter vibe makes it ideal for travelers looking for a relaxed winter break. Think coastal walks, ocean views, off-season tranquility, and maybe a bit of surf or beach strolls without the crowds. The Algarve is perfect if you want a chill, understated December getaway, somewhere to decompress, enjoy the sea, and soak up mild sunshine. Malaga and Andalusia, southern Spain. Southern Spain, especially around Malaga and the broader Andalusia region, offers a winter experience that's rich in history, culture, and surprisingly gentle weather. On exceptional days, Malaga has even recorded December highs close to 30 degrees Celsius, though that's more a weather freak event than the norm. Outside of heat records, expect pleasant winter gloom, mild days, sunny intervals, and enough warmth to enjoy walking the streets, sipping coffee, exploring old towns, or glimpsing the sea with comfort. Especially for travelers who love medieval architecture, tapas, charming plazas, and a southern European vibe, this is winter without the freezing chill, but with all the flavor. Seville, Spain, Andalusia. Inland Andalusia, for example Seville, offers a warmish December escape with a big cultural payoff. While it may not be beach weather, the climate is milder than much of Europe's winter gloom, and the architecture and historic streets create a magical vibe during the holiday season. Wandering through courtyards, old town alleys, enjoying tapas, listening to local flamenco, or just soaking up winter sunshine, Seville offers a different kind of warmth. Not necessarily tropical, but culturally rich and pleasantly temperate. For travelers who value architecture, history, city life, hearty food, and a festive city vibe, Seville in December is a lovely mix of charm and comfort. Valletta and historic Malta cities. While I've already mentioned Malta broadly, it's worth giving special love to Valletta and Malta's historic cities for winter charm. With mild weather, Mediterranean light, and relatively calm tourist levels in December, these cities offer a peaceful yet vibrant winter escape. Cobblestone streets, coastal harbors, historic architecture, walking through Valletta in December feels like a stroll through history under soft European winter sun. Add to that good food, culture, calm seas on some days, and laid-back energy. It's ideal for travelers who prefer relaxed exploration over party scenes. Malta in December isn't about crowds or heat. It's about serenity, character, and a Mediterranean rhythm with a winter twist. Southern coast and inland South Spain, Portugal, ideal for a mix of culture, nature, and mild winter weather. If you prefer not to rely solely on islands and want a mix of culture, countryside, coastlines, and moderate winter weather, exploring southern Spain and southern Portugal broadly, coast plus inland, can be a rewarding December plan. Places like Andalusia, Algarve, and nearby coastal zones give a variety of experiences, from beaches and cliffs to historic towns, countryside, and gentle weather. This approach gives flexibility. You can hop between coastal strolls, historic city visits, countryside wandering, and enjoy reasonably mild weather throughout. It's perfect if you don't want a traditional island holiday, but still crave sunlight, warmth, and a bit of Europe's winter sun magic. Video interlude. How to pick your perfect December escape. Okay, so now you know where you can go, but how do you choose? Here are a few quick tips. If you want sun, sea, beach vibes, go for islands like Tenerife, Lanzarote, or Madeira. If you prefer culture, history, cities with milder weather, consider Seville, Malaga, or Valletta. If you like a mix of coast, countryside, and off-season calm, southern Portugal or inland Spain offer variety and flexibility. If you love nature and quiet winter walks,
Madeira or Cyprus give you gentle climates with green landscapes or Mediterranean coastlines. Also, check flights early and consider staying outside big tourist zones. December means fewer crowds, but some places may have limited services, so a bit of planning goes a long way.
As you can see, winter in Europe doesn't have to mean gray skies, cold wind, and canceled plans. There are plenty of spots where December brings sunshine, calm seas, cozy vibes, and a side of culture. Whether you want to lounge by a beach, explore old cities, hike mountains, or sip wine beside the sea, there's an option out there for you. And often, winter means fewer tourists, lower prices, and a more relaxed pace. If I were to make recommendations based on what kind of traveler you are, beach and warmth lover, Tenerife, Lanzarote, or Madeira. Culture and city explorer, Seville, Malaga, or Valletta. Nature and calm vibes, Madeira, Cyprus, or Algarve countryside. Flexible and curious, mix and match coastal plus inland Spain or Portugal. So, where are you heading this December? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your choice. And if you want, I can help you build a full 7 to 10-day December itinerary for whichever destination you pick. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more travel guides. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels!